this is how we design the video we just saw. So first you go to roboneo.com, you create an account, and then you come over to the workflow. So first you put your input in the text box right there, and then it generates an image for you. So we are generating an image as it speaks. So depending on the prompt you give it. Our image has been generated. So afterwards, we are going to add another prompt in relation to the image, which this is the image we just generated. So we are going to continue the journey and then add the image down there. Okay, so there we have it. Now the image is connected to the old image that was already on the page, so we are going to disconnect it from their image to our image we just generated. So in order to do that, yes, that's it. So now we are connected to the new image that we just generated. So the prompt will affect the image that we are working on, that we just generated. So afterwards, we are going to wait a little for it to generate a video for us. So the video is done generating. And then in order to add music to the video, let's increase it a little. So in order to add music to the video, okay, let's download our video. So now we are going to add music to our video. So same as this, we disconnect the first one and then we connect it to our recently generated video. So you click run to run it. And then our video is being generated. That's adding the music to the video. We can go ahead and download the video now. Okay, so the download button has worked now. Okay, so our video is done downloading. So let's take a look at it. So this is the first video without the music in the background.